Ever sit down to write and think, today's the day, only to stare at the blinking cursor, scroll TikTok, and somehow end up reorganizing your kitchen instead? Yeah, I get it. Writing consistently isn't easy, but today I'm giving you the hacks and habits that will make it so much simpler. Because the difference between aspiring writer and actual writer isn't talent, it's consistency. Let's dive in. First things first, why do we struggle with writing habits? Your brain wants easy wins. Writing takes effort, and our brains love instant gratification. Perfectionism kills momentum. We overthink before we even start. We wait for inspiration, but the truth is, writing habits create inspiration, not the other way around. Stop waiting for motivation. Start showing up. Now that we know why consistency is tricky, let's talk about some solutions because you don't need to be perfect. You just need a system that works for you. I remember when I first started working on my manuscript. I had just retired after 25 years in the classroom, and I had just been dreaming about the day that I would have time to write. But there were so many things that would get me off track: family demands, lack of motivation, housekeeping, chores. Everything would get in the way until finally I put my foot down and made myself get focused and get my butt in the chair. Hack number one, the 10-minute rule. Start with just 10 minutes of writing. No pressure, no expectations, just words on the page. Hack number two, the brain dump technique. Write freely before structuring. Just spill your thoughts without editing. Hack number three, time block your writing. Treat writing like an appointment. Schedule it and show up. Non negotiable. Hack number four, create a writing ritual. Light a candle, play a playlist, grab your favorite drink, signal to your brain that it's writing time. Hack number five, find accountability. Share your writing goals with someone or join a community writing group. Commit aloud and follow through. Writing isn't just about creativity, it's about discipline. Small, consistent steps build momentum. Let's look at the 1% rule. Focus on small daily improvements. Just 1% better every day adds up fast. The chain method tracks your writing streak. The goal? Don't break the chain. Another one is energy matching. Write when your brain is sharpest, morning, evening, or whenever your creativity flows. Also, habit stacking. Link writing to something you already do. After my coffee, I write for 10 minutes. You don't have to write a novel overnight. You just have to keep going. It took me 2 years to finish my nonfiction picture book biography, but I didn't give up. Consistency in writing isn't about waiting for inspiration. It's about creating habits that make showing up easier. So let's do this. Try one of these hacks today and drop a comment about what works best for you. Writing is a skill, a habit, and a mindset. Keep showing up, keep writing, and most importantly, write without fear. Hey, fellow writers, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to Shelley's Creative Life. I could really use the support. Thank you so much, fellow writers. Bye.